everyone, it's me Payal and thank you so much for watching me. If you are watching me for the first time, then I'm making a video about the wedding decoration, DIY, craft, home decor and the mixed media. If you are into it, then make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. So today's video is all about budget friendly home decor. So in this video, I will show how I create beautiful, expensive, elegant art piece in a very limited budget. You can also create this kind of the art piece at your home. You don't need to spend a lots of money to buy expensive wall pieces. You can also make it by yourself, and the budget of my this art piece is a $20. I cannot spend more than $20, so that's why this is like a budget friendly home decor. So let's get started. I just want to make something which is related to the photographs. I just love the photographs. I just love to hang the photographs on a wall, but I don't want to make a regular collage with the photo frames and everything. Yeah, I want to make a photo frame collage, but I don't want to make a regular photo frame collage. I just want to make it with some creativity, some uniqueness and something elegant on it. So for that I decided to buy a photo frame first. So I thought that I got the cheapest photo frames from the Dollar Tree. So I visited to the Dollar Tree to buy a photo frames, and luckily they have a lot varieties of photo frames, and I got all the photo frames. Like they have all the different size of the photo frames, so that's why I bought total 10 photo frames from the Dollar Tree. Like I bought 3 photo frames 4 by 6 inches, 3 photo frame 5 by 7 inches, 2 photo frame 10 by 10 inches and 2 photo frame 8 by 10 inches. So I spent total $10 on a photo frames, which is good and which is in my budget, so I was happy at that time. And then I decided to buy some paints. So for the paints I visited to the Hobby Lobby. I was confused about acrylic paint and a chalk paint. I never used a chalk paint before in my life, so I just want to try the chalk paint. So that's why I go with the chalk paint, and I bought these 2 shades of the chalk paint. I spent $1.99 per bottle, so it's around $2 per shade. So I spent total $4 for the paint. Still I have a $6 to spend it. Still I have something which I can buy it under $6. At that time I just found this laser cut wooden frame and I decided to buy it, but the price of this wooden frame is a $7.99, which is over budget for me. I don't want to spend more than $20. I had a 40% off coupon of the Hobby Lobby, so I was happy for that. I can spend that coupon on this wooden frame. So after the 40% discount, I got this frame $4.79, so around $5, so which is good in my budget. This way I bought all these art supplies. Like I bought this wooden frame and all these 10 photo frames from the Dollar Tree and these 2 paints, and I spent around $19 on it, which is in my budget, and I was happy for that. So now it's time to make our beautiful wall piece. So for that, first of all, I decided to paint all the photo frames, but before that I just removed the inside part and a mirror from the photo frame so I can easily paint it. And I paint my all the photo frames with the teal shades with the both of these chalk paints. Make sure that you paint inside and outside both the part of the photo frame, like cover entire photo frame with the chalk paint. I never used a chalk paint before, so I was so excited to see effect of a chalk paint, but I'm totally satisfied with the chalk paint. The first thought came in my mind while using this chalk paint, that why I have been not using this paint. This is so cool, and this chalk paint is really amazing. This gives a proper wood effect on your frame, which looks so gorgeous and so real, and lots of people are using this chalk paint to paint their furniture, which is so cool. And definitely I'm planning to paint my furniture with the chalk paint because I'm pretty impressed with it. And after that I spent some time to arrange all my photo frames, like how it looks good, how it doesn't look good, and I'm arranging all the photo frames on a floor like this. And then in the finally I just come up with the good result. I had something different in my mind before creating this wall piece, but I come up with something new and I'm happy with it. And that's the beauty of the handmade. Like you can create whatever you want, you can change anytime, and you can use your lots of creativities, lots of ideas in your project. You can change it and you can make it as per your choice, which is very good thing about the handmade. And that's why I encourage the handmade product. After finalizing the proper collage, I just overlap 4 frames together. So I just want to stick all these frames together. So for that I am using a hot glue gun to stick all this frame together. You can also use a Fevikwik, you can also use a crazy glue, super glue, whatever you have. And I'm just using a hot glue gun to stick all these 5 frames together. In this way the middle portion of my collage is ready. Now I have to arrange everything on a wall. So for that I'm using that kind of the commando damage free hanging tape. You can easily stick this thing on your photo frame, you can easily stick this thing on your wall, and it's 100% damage free, so you can use it anywhere. And I stick everything on my wall, and I'm pretty impressed with this artistic wall piece. And I hope you like this video. If you like this thing, then make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't it already. If you are planning to recreate any of my DIY, then make sure you tag me on Instagram or somewhere. I will give you shout out on my Instagram stories. And yeah, that's all about today's video. I hope you like it, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.